Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, heated front seats, electronic stability control, rear window defroster. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.